Hello! Today I will show you how to make next 3 rounds of a blooming joy blanket. The next 2 rounds of this blanket will be in the same color as we did in last 2 videos, and after that we will start working on a round in a different color finally. So this is round 79. Chain 1. This chain 1 doesn't count as any stitch. Single crochet in same stitch. And now we repeat for this round, and we need to start it with 108 single crochet. If you remember, the last repeat started with 100 single crochet. So basically this single crochet is 100th single crochet. So after this single crochet we need to do single crochet in 8 more stitches, and we will have 188 single crochet in total. So you don't need to count, just do single crochet over all single crochet, over 4 half double crochet and 4 double crochet. Okay, I will do this and will join you. Okay, so my 100 single crochet is done. We all fall over single crochet over 100 single crochet of previous round, and now 1 2 3 4 single crochet over half double crochet, and 1 2 3 4 more over first 4 double crochet, so 108 single crochet. Now half double crochet in next 17. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 7 more. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And if you and now you need to do single crochet in next 34 stitches, and the first one single crochet will fall in 1 2 3 4. If we count double crochet previous round, just 4th before the end. So you do first 4 single crochet over double crochet, and next 4 over next 4 half double crochet of previous round. So 10 single crochet and 24 more. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 30, and 1 2 3 4 more. So 34 single crochet. And now in corner chain 1 space you need to do single crochet, chain 1 and single crochet. And now you need to start working on this side with 34 single crochet, and 34th single crochet will fall 1 2 3 4th double crochet, just like here the first one is made in 4 from this end, so you can count of course, but I prefer just to know where my last single crochet should fall. So I do single crochet over all single crochet of previous round. I'm trying to avoid counting as much as possible. So single crochet over all single crochet stitches of previous round, like this. And now single crochet over 4 half double crochet and single crochet over 1 2 3 4 double crochet, so over first 4 double crochet, and this will be your 34 single crochet. Now half double crochet in next 17. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 10 and 7 more. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so 17 single crochet. And now single crochet next 21 stitches, and first one single crochet falls over 1 2 3 4th double crochet. So first 4 single crochet falls over 4 double crochet of previous round, next 4 over over 4 half double crochet of previous round. So 8 1 2, so 10 single crochet and 11 more. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11, and 11 falls in single crochet made 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 in front post single crochet made around 1 2 3 4th back post single crochet. So, and this last stitch of your repeat, and repeat is like this with 11 with 17 half double crochet, and all our stitches are single crochet and chain 1 space in corner. So your repeat starts with 108 single crochet. So basically after your 17 half double crochet are made, you don't need to count this 21 single crochet and then 108 single crochet. You just, after this 17 single crochet, can go and make your single crochet up until your last 8 will be done over 4 half double crochet and 4 double crochet. So the last single crochet will fall over 4 double crochet. So this is the way how to avoid counting, but if you prefer count, you can of course count. Okay, so this repeat for this round you need to repeat it 3 more times, and I will meet you at the end of this round to show how to finish it. Okay, so I'm working on my last single crochet stitches of this round, and now I need to join to my first single crochet with a slip stitch, and round 79 is done. Okay, and now last round in this color, round 80. So chain 1, this chain 1 doesn't count as any stitch, and single crochet in same stitch. And now single crochet in all stitches of a side up until corner, chain 1 space. So in all stitches up until corner we need to do single crochet. I will do this and will join you. Okay, I am at the end of my round, and single crochet in last the single crochet before chain 1 space. And in this round, in chain 1 space, we do single crochet, chain 2, and one more single crochet. And now single crochet in all stitches of this side. So this is a really easy round. So single crochet in all stitches, in corner, chain 1 space, you do single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet. So continue around, and I will join you at the end of this round to show how to finish it. Okay, I am at the end of my round and last single crochet stitches. So, and now I need to join to my first single crochet with a slip stitch and chain 1, and finally cut yarn, because next round will be in different color. So this is round 80. After this part, some edges may be a little bit wavy, but it's okay. Next 2 rounds will fix this, so don't worry. Okay, so this is round 80. Let's do round 81. Okay, I will turn my blanket. And round 81. So next color, slip knot, and round 81 we need to start with a standing single crochet in last single crochet of the side just before corner chain 2 space. So before this corner chain 2 space, in last single crochet, standing single crochet. And now the repeat for this round is corner part, chain 2, single crochet in chain 2 space, chain 2, single crochet in next stitch. So in first stitch of the side, in first single crochet, which is made in chain 1 space. And now along the side we will continue short side repeat, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch. So chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, like this. And you need to continue chain 1, single skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch until your last single crochet will be made in last stitch of the side just before corner chain 2 space. So okay, I will do all this short repeat along this side, and will join you to show how it looks like. So chain 1, skip next stitch and single crochet in next stitch, and this is last, and single crochet is in last single crochet of the side just before corner chain 2 space, and the side looks like this. So single crochet all along. Okay, I will show you. This is your repeat for this round, and you need to repeat it 3 more times. And now I will show you how to do corner part one more time. So chain 2, single crochet in chain 2, chain 2, and single crochet in first stitch of a side. So in first single crochet and short repeat. Chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, chain 1, skip next stitch, single crochet in next stitch, and so on. So this is how corner will look like. Okay, so continue, and I will join you at the end of this round to show how to finish it. Okay, so last chain 1 space, and now I need to join to my standing single crochet with a slip stitch and chain 1 and cut yarn. So this is round 81 and it is done. And here is how the blanket corner looks at this point. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.